How to make a beautiful paracord bracelet, fast and easy paracord tutorial. So for this project we're gonna use this black Paracord 550, also the gold one, and the credit for today's bracelet goes to our friend Elena Polkonova, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Elena's Instagram profile. The 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, full tutorial you have in the top right corner of this with information cards, also down below in the description box. There you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, so make sure to check the information cards and the description box. Now we're gonna insert our gold paracord into our setup, so I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna start. We're gonna insert the gold from here, and we're gonna return it back and pass it through. And from here we're gonna take our black paracord and we're gonna pass it under those 2 core strands from the left side in the middle. And we're gonna do the same with the right strand black, so from the back through the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna take our gold paracord and we also pass it from the back under the 2 core strands from the left, around, and from here we're gonna return it through the both loops on the left side, the gold and the black one, so through, and we're gonna do the same on the left side, so under the right strand bracelet core strands, under, and then return it and pass it through the both loops on the right side. Now we're gonna take our gold paracord and from the back we're gonna pass it under the core strands through the middle, and with the right side also from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna take our black paracord and under the 2 core strands from the left side through the middle, and then we're gonna pass it through the loops on the left, like so. And with the right side black, we're gonna pass it under those 2 strands on the right side through the middle, and then from the top through the loops on the right side. So here we are, we reached the almost end of our project. Now we're gonna pass our black paracord through the middle between the right side core strands, So in the middle and to the side, and pull it. Sorry about the noise created by these fits. And on the left side as well, between the two core strands on the left. And from the back we're gonna return it with the gold and pass it as well in the middle. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, suggestions or anything like that, you can post the comment down below and I will make sure to get back ASAP. So that being said, until the next time, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well and see you soon. Bye!